Well, it's finally here. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has officially been announced, and I was fortunate enough to get an early hands-on with it. So in this video, I want to go over 5 things you didn't know about the Galaxy S23 Ultra. First, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has some small design differences. Nothing huge here, but if you were hoping to use some of your Galaxy S22 Ultra cases with this new model, you may be out of luck. For starters, the Galaxy S23 Ultra features larger camera modules that still seem to protrude from the backside just like on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The bezel on the S23 Ultra is also slightly thicker than the S22 Ultra, and this is to accommodate the new boxier design. While yes, we still have a curved display, it's been reduced and the left and right sides of the phone are now smooth and flat. When combined with the S Pen, this new design feels much more like a Note. We also have a brand new green color this year, which looks really good in my opinion. The second thing you should know about the Galaxy S23 Ultra is that it should, keyword here, should, ship with Android 13 and One UI 5.1. This will bring a ton of new features and enhancements, such as updates to the gallery with common family album sharing, powerful search options, and more. New widgets for weather and battery are also part of One UI 5.1. We also have new connectivity options for Samsung Notes, advanced multiple controls between Galaxy Book and smartphone that will allow you to seamlessly share your keyboard and mouse, and media output for Wi-Fi speakers. There's even improvements to multitasking and DeX. I can't wait to dive into One UI 5.1 more. Make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming tips and tricks. The third thing you should know is the updated camera and camera app. Samsung said that we have brand new camera sensors this year, which includes a massive 200 megapixel main camera on the back. With these new sensors, we have several new features, including Expert RAW built right into the camera app. However, one weird thing is Expert RAW cannot be moved down to the quick shortcut bar. Expert RAW now has a couple really cool astrophotography modes to capture high quality images of the night sky, including the Milky Way. There's also updates to Pro Mode. For starters, you can now take 50 megapixel RAW photos. You can also use Pro Mode on the front facing camera. Autofocus has been improved with new algorithms. 8K video has been tweaked to offer improved quality, but more importantly, it's no longer as cropped in. Speaking of that, stabilization in video is now wider, meaning that the crop is much less. Super steady stabilization now records in Quad HD up to 60 frames per second. The Galaxy S23 now uses object-based AI to analyze each detail in a frame, even down to minor facial features such as hair and eyes, to carefully reflect a person's dynamic and characteristics. You can also use Galaxy Buds 2 Pro when recording video to capture 360-degree spatial audio for multi-dimensional sound. There's quite a bit more going on with the cameras on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which I'll definitely be diving into more soon. Number 4 is the custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor that's made for Galaxy. It's overclocked, and when compared to the S22 Ultra, it has 30% faster CPU performance and 41% faster GPU performance. When combined with the larger vapor chamber cooling system, the Galaxy S23 Ultra should be a powerhouse for gaming and productivity work. It also now supports real-time ray tracing for more realistic scene renders when playing supported games. Despite this processor being overclocked and providing much more power than the previous model, it's also more efficient. This means that we should get slightly better battery life, even though the capacity of the battery is the same as last year, which is around 5,000 milliamp hours. The last thing I think people should know is that this is a minor upgrade over last year's model. So if you're currently using an S22 Ultra and you're happy with its performance, you may want to consider just holding off. However, if you have the money and are planning on taking advantage of Samsung's incredible trade-in offerings, then go for it. Also, this year Samsung seems to be focusing on their ecosystem more than ever, so if you're picking up a Galaxy S23 Ultra and perhaps a new Galaxy Book, you'll be able to enjoy a more streamlined experience when it comes to sharing content, files, screen mirroring, and more. So what do you think of the Galaxy S23 Ultra so far? If you're planning on picking one up, make sure to check out the link in the description for the latest deals and trade-in offers. I have a ton of Galaxy S23 Ultra content planned, so definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be alerted whenever it drops. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Other than that, I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.